Let's explore Istanbul like never before. Hagia Sophia, located just across the Blue Mosque in Istanbul. Hagia Sophia is one of the most iconic monuments in the world. Originally built as a cathedral in 537 AD, it later became a mosque, then a museum, and now functions as a mosque again. Fun fact, it remained the world's largest cathedral for nearly 1,000 years. Blue Mosque, Sultan Ahmed Mosque. Whether you come for the faith, the art, or the history, the Blue Mosque will leave you speechless. It's not just a place, it's an experience. Right across from Hagia Sophia, this mosque is famous for its stunning blue Iznik tiles. Tourist tip, it's still active, so dress modestly and avoid prayer times. Topkapi Palace, it is one of Turkey's most visited museums. It's not just a place of beauty, it's a living timeline of sultans, conquests, legends, and power. This was the residence of Ottoman sultans for over 400 years. You'll see royal kitchens, harems, and even sacred Islamic relics. Grand Bazaar. Located in the heart of Istanbul, the Grand Bazaar, or Kapalı Çarşı in Turkish, has been around since 1461. One of the world's oldest and largest covered markets with over 4,000 shops. Tip, always bargain, it's expected here. Süleymaniye Mosque. Built between 1550 and 1557, the Süleymaniye Mosque is the crown jewel of the Ottoman Empire's golden age, and it was built for one man, Süleyman the Magnificent. Lesser known but arguably more peaceful than the Blue Mosque with panoramic city views. Designed by Mimar Sinan, the Michelangelo of the East. Bosphorus Strait cruise, take a boat ride between Europe and Asia, all in one afternoon. The Bosphorus separates two continents and offers unreal sunset views. Prince's Islands. The Prince's Islands are a group of 9 islands, but only 4 are commonly visited: Buyukada, Heybeliada, Burgazada, and Kinaliada. Each has its own charm, but the largest and most popular is Buyukada. A ferry ride away, these islands offer horse carriages, beaches, and no cars. Great for a peaceful escape from Istanbul's hustle. Spice Bazaar, Egyptian Bazaar. Explore aromatic stalls with Turkish delights, spices, and dried fruits. Tip, try the saffron or buy fresh Turkish tea blends. Galata Tower. Built in the 14th century, it offers one of the best panoramic views of Istanbul. Pro tip, go early to avoid long lines. Istiklal Street and Taksim Square. This is Istanbul's main cultural and shopping street. Don't miss the nostalgic red tram and try a doner or Turkish coffee. Ortaköy Mosque and Bosphorus Bridge. Perfect Instagram spot, with a view of the mosque and the bridge together. Come here at night when the bridge lights up. Turkish hammam, bath. Relax the traditional way with a deep cleansing at an authentic Turkish bath. Semberlides Hammam is one of the oldest and most famous. Love exploring cities like this? Hit like, subscribe to Brewing Facts, and turn on the bell icon for more travel inspiration. See you in the next destination.